YouTube, what's going on? Tech King Mike, and we are back with another case video with you guys today, where we are going to be taking a look at the Ringke Fusion Card. This is the clear case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This case is going to be a case that is specifically designed to show off the look and feel of your phone while also allowing you to store one card on the back of the case. So this is kind of like a pseudo wallet case and just a little bit of a TPU style bumper case, give you a little bit of protection while letting you show off that phone. Now, obviously when it comes to Ringke, we always get the eco-friendly packaging. So as you can see down here at the bottom, this is the eco package. We'll put that off to the side. Then this is going to be the case itself. Now, Ringke always includes, some nice instructions in here. So we have a little bit of an instruction, peel off the inside and the outside layer. Also another installation card. You don't really need an installation card for this case. It's very straightforward. Also, Ringke has a few things here with their wallet stand and some of their MagSafe accessories, as well as some of their watch bands for the Apple Watch Ultra. Ringke, let's keep showing that love to the Galaxy, man. Let's keep showing that love to the Galaxy, because I really want some of these companies to get back onto focusing and giving us more accessories for Galaxy devices. Please give us more Galaxy devices accessories. So with this particular case, as you can see, we've got cutouts for the camera rings as well as for the laser and the focus, and the flash. We also have our slot on the back here for our card. On the side, you have your lanyard hold here. Got your lanyard hold there. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to peel off the interior here. Oops. Oopsies. Going to peel that off and put that off to the side. And we're going to pick up our violet S24 Ultra and just pop it right on in there. And this is what it's going to look like. So excuse the fingerprints. Let me wipe that off real quick for you guys. That's what happens when you don't want to be ashy and you moisturize. You get a few fingerprints here and there. Now, this is what it's going to look like inside of the case. And again, your buttons. Buttons work really good. Got your up and down. Work good. You got a cutout for your microphones up there at the top. If you guys can see that, got your microphone cutouts. Got your cutouts at the bottom. This one looks a little weird. It's a line, but it's not. I don't know, it's kind of weird. It just looks funky. But maybe that's just how clear cases look with this. I don't know. It looks like it's off-centered to me. That's just me, though. Looks off-centered. And, of course, got a little US mobile SIM card here. So we'll pop that in. Boom. And you've got your card. Now, this can fit one card and one card only. I do not have another card to try, but it says one card on the package, and I can tell you by how tight this is in here, I doubt you'll be able to get more than one. So that is going to be your one card on the back of this case. So keep in mind, if you want to use this case for your ID or something like that, you maybe want to make sure that you've got it to where it's not so easily visible. I would say that this might be good for a debit card or a credit card, just have the front of it if your numbers are on the back of the card or whatever. But just keep in mind that because it is a clear case, people are going to really be able to see what's inside of there. So, but that is going to be the Ringke Clear Fusion Card, or the Fusion Clear Card Case. This is another Ringke case in addition to the Ringke lineup. So I purchased this one myself. The Ringke case, that video that you guys have already seen, this one was purchased myself. So shout out to Ringke for sending out the other cases that you guys have already seen. But I wanted to try this one out because I wanted to give you guys the entire lineup. The only cases that I have not tried from Ringke yet are the cases that have MagSafe in them. So if you guys are interested in those, drop a comment down below and let me know if you want to check those out. But this is going to be the Ringke Fusion Clear Card. It's your guy, Tech King Mike. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.